there, friends. I'm Benny, and today we're going to learn something super cool. Python programming.
That's right, Benny. Hi, everyone. I'm Toby. Today, we'll talk about something called data types. It sounds fancy, but don't worry. We'll make it fun.
Oh, I see. What kind of data types are there, Toby? Wait, data types? Are those like the types of carrots I eat? Big carrots, small carrots, rainbow carrots?
Sort of. Just like how there are different types of carrots, in Python, there are different types of data. Each type tells Python how to use the information. If you want to learn more about data types in programming, then there is a link for you in the description section. Please click on that link to play a video to know more about the data types.
Thank you, Toby. You are a great teacher. Friends, please do visit the link in the description.
Well, let me show you. There are three main types of data that we'll talk about today. Numbers, words, true or false.
Whoa, look at that. Is 5 a data type?
Not exactly, Benny. Numbers are called integers in Python. You can use them to count things, like how many carrots you have.
So if I have 5 carrots, Python will know it's an integer?
Exactly. And numbers with a decimal point, like 5.5, are called floats. So if you have 5.5 carrots, which seems like an odd amount.
Ha ha ha, I must have nibbled on one. What about words? Is hello Toby a data type?
Well, hello Toby are two words, right? In Python, a single character, or a single word, or group of words are called strings. Anything you put between quotes is a string.
Strings? Like the strings on a guitar?
Not quite. These strings are made of letters, numbers, and symbols. Python uses them to understand words or text.
Oh, I get it. So if I type carrot in quotes, that's a string?
You've got it, Benny.
So in Python, if I have to say, I love you, Toby, then I need to say it in quotes. What about those? Why are they here?
Those are for something called booleans. A boolean is a data type that's either true or false. Just like how carrots are either yummy or not yummy. There's no in-between.
Ha ha ha. Carrots are always yummy to me. Can you give more examples, please?
I love your curiosity, Benny. Sure, I will give you more examples of Boolean data type. Any information that can be either true or false, right or wrong, is of type Boolean. Another example could be how, when you race with me, you can either win or not win.
Of course I will win, because I can run way faster than you.
So you have forgotten about the time when our grandfathers raced? There is another link in the description which shows a recording of that race, and you can see that it was my grandfather who won the race because slow and steady wins the race. So let's recap. Python is following main data types. Integers for whole numbers, floats for numbers with decimals, strings for words, and booleans for true or false.
Wow, Toby, I learned so much. I can't wait to start coding with Python and use all these types.
Then let's code together. Let's start our Python IDE, PyCharm.
If you do not know how to install PyCharm, please visit the link in the description.
Here is my computer screen, and I have opened my PyCharm editor. Now I'm going to use the data types that we learned today.
How about we keep it simple and just try adding 2 numbers in Python?
Sure, let's try to learn about numbers first.
Wait. Hey, how about we add our ages? So, I am 4 years old. How about you, Toby? How old are you?
Well, I turned 92 last month.
Wow, you are 92 years old? You are like super old. That is why you know so much. You had so much time to learn. Now, let's add our ages, which means let's add numbers 4 and 92. But how to see the result of this addition, Toby?
That's a great question. So to see result of any operation in Python, you can ask Python to print it. So just add print to your code.
Like this?
Yes, you are smart, Benny. Now let's run the program.
Okay, I will press the run button now. And wow, Toby, I can see the sum is output here.
Congratulations, Benny, on your first Python program.
Wow, Toby, I love coding. I love Python.
I am glad to hear that, Benny. Let's continue learning Python programming in our next lesson.
Bye,
Bye, friends, and see you again in next lesson.